Hi guys, it has been long time since I made last video. I hope I will make videos again. Sorry for my bad English, I hope you understand me. I'm gonna make a video about the world revolving around the moon and it will revolve around the sun. I'm just going to make a simple animation about this. You can make better after that. Firstly, I'm gonna make a movie clip for revolving moon animation. After that will revolve around the sun. This will be the word. I said that this is symbol. And let's rename this. This is word. It will be 60 frame. Let's create a layer for moon. That's the moon. And I'm gonna create a layer for the path. That will not be filling, only stroke. And the moon will follow the line. But before that, I'm gonna remove some part of the line. Oh. That's okay. Double click and this will be the guide. It's okay. And this will be classic twin. There's a point inside the moon. You can see it. This will start here and this will end here. Enter. It's okay. The moon is revolving around the world. I'm going to click scene and my movie clip is in the library. It's here. Let's rename this world and moon. When I push Ctrl and enter, it's working. And this will be revolve around the sun. Let's create a sun. That's okay. Same thing. I'm gonna make same things. When I made what I made in movie clip, I'm gonna make a layer for path. This is the path layer and no fill. It's okay. And I'm gonna remove here. This will be long. And this will have create classic twin. It will start the first position here. Double click, and this will be the guide. That's okay. It starts here and it ends here. Let's check this out. Control Enter. It doesn't look good, but I think you can make better.